Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be teaching you how to make classic, delicious, fluffy vanilla cake. Let's get started. In a bowl, you are to add your butter and sugar. You are to cream this for 15 minutes or until light and fluffy. The list of ingredients and measurements for this recipe will be in the description box below. Shout out to Nahima Dab, all the way from Ghana. Shout out to Cute Sexy, all the way from United Kingdom. Shout out to Maria, all the way from South Africa. Shout out to Olajumoke Asha, all the way from South Africa. Shout out to Mary Jane Wakoe, all the way from United Kingdom. Shout out to T Love Kitchen from Nigeria. I appreciate. Now it's time to add our egg. You add your egg bit by bit. You don't just pour everything once. So it's a little bit of your egg, a little bit of your milk, and a little bit of your flour mixture. So you repeat the process like that. Do not overmix. Enjoy the process. So you must have gotten your cake batter. If your cake batter is not looking like mine, then something is wrong somewhere. Now it's time to pour your cake batter into a greased pan. You are to bake this for 40 to 45 minutes. And there you have it, a simple homemade vanilla cake that's perfect for any occasion. Take a look at how our vanilla cake is looking, so moist and fluffy. Oh my god, can you see that? Feel free to try out this recipe, you will definitely love it. Thanks for baking with us. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Bye!